If you want to add widgets to the home screen on Google Pixel 10 Pro, all you have to do is press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, and after a second you should be able to see these options and then choose widgets. Now over here you might be able to find some example widgets that you can use, or you can scroll down in order to find widgets from specific apps. So first we need to tap on the app, so let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And then you can press and hold your finger, for example, in order to select the widget, and then you can drop it anywhere in the home screen. In some cases, we can also resize the widget. And in addition to that, you can also press and hold your finger on an app that contains widgets. And if you once you see these options, you should be able to choose widgets. It doesn't have to be in the home screen. It can also be in the app drawer, for example. As you can see, we can tap on widgets, and then you should be able to just simply find widgets from this specific apps. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.